Look at how faded these cushions are. Ridiculous. Let's go ahead and paint them. Spray paint them. So I'm tired of spending money every time my freaking cushions get faded. I'm gonna try this. I've never seen anybody do this, but I was thinking, like, why couldn't I spray paint the fabric of the cushion? Why couldn't I get the bench cushions and spray paint them also? So if this works, hey, this is gonna be a new video, but this is the paint I got. If it works, I'll post it down below. Let's try it out. Painter's tape. This clean release by Duck, right? And I put it around the cushion. Or actually, sorry, I can't. Yeah, around the cushion on the metal of the chair right here. As you can see, I'm gonna lower this box. Yes, this is something I ordered off of Amazon. I lowered the box. The reason I lowered it is because I don't want the back of the chair, which this is the back of the chair, to get painted. So go ahead and shake it up really good and try it. Okay, so here's the cushion. Here I am. It's already shooken up. Let's try it. Wow, that is doing a great job. Do you see that? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I gotta show you guys this. This is still wet, obviously. Because I put 2 coats on here because you can still kind of see the print. But look. Look. Look how much it covered. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I'm going to do another coat. Spot right there. And I got obviously a little bit on the metal. I'm just gonna scrape that off or put some black paint on it. But look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Ah, I missed another spot. Let's try the cushions in the front yard. Realize this. I missed this spot, right? You need to spray upwards when you get on the side. Like, have the can down and go up. Because, check it out. You see that line? I will fix that later. That's a little wet still. But look. It's hot today. You guys know how freaking expensive cushions cost. So if I can just respray them, that's going to be awesome. I'm going to let this dry and we're going to check it out in the morning to see if it transfers to our clothes. But let's go get that cushion from the front yard. How faded this cushion is, right? Look at it. What the color used to look like. And now what it looks like now. Humongous box that I just got from Amazon. And I'm going to put it in the box and paint it. Oh, and this doggy door is amazing. Look, they can look through the little screen. There's one door and another. I just put like this little mat there for them. Amazing. Okay, it's in the box. Let's do it. Looks like it's working. You might want to wear a mask when you're doing this, or you might get a little high. Okay, I need to hang it over the box to open up those creases. Look, here's a close-up. On the sides where it's more red, like right here, watch this. It actually takes a lot more coats than where it's like super faded, like right here. You see, that's one coat, it's covered. But over here you can see it's gonna take like 2 coats. So it needs to dry, that's pretty much the whole can. The back side is not done. So I got the whole front side and 1 chair. Let's let them dry and we'll see what they feel like in a bit. Okay, so I'm gonna drive back home. They have been drying for about 24 hours. Eric and I are here at Virgin Hotel. So they have been outside in the backyard. I'm not home, so I can't show you. And if you were wondering why I had a glove on the whole time, because I just had my carpal tunnel surgery. Gross, but I wanted to show you guys. That's why I was wearing a glove, protecting it. Look at that. Look at how much bruising went on. I thought I would come on here and show you guys this cute little outfit I got from Walmart. I put a black shirt under it, obviously, because I'm not showing my belly. Nobody wants to see this. But this was only like, I don't know, $19, and it's a 3-piece. And it is so comfy and cozy. And look at that. I had to show you guys. And I'm going to show you guys the room really quick, even though you probably don't want to see it. It's my stuff on the counter there. Little vanity over here. This is a door that separates the dressing area and the bedroom. And this is the bedroom. Isn't that so cute? Love this light fixture right there. Bed's a mess. I know that's not part of the video, but I had to show you since you guys know I love anything that's pretty. And so I'm trying to make my cushions look pretty at the same time. I do a lot of anti-aging and makeup, and I know this is not related, but we're gonna get back to the video, go home and see if these cushions are worth spray painting so I can save you hundreds of dollars. Hey, isn't that what we all do? We all help each other nowadays, right? I'm all sweaty. I just got home. I went to the car wash and I vacuumed my car. That's why you see me all sweaty. I am stepping outside so we can check it out together. The chair looks awesome. Somebody must have put like a drink or something and indented the fabric right there. It feels a little bit more tough, but it's not like this is, no, actually it feels pretty much the same. Just a tiny bit more, like a thicker material. And here's this, so let's lay this out in the sun and see what it looks like. That does not look too bad at all, actually. Right here, obviously in the creases, I'm still gonna have to put a little bit more. But look, that looks pretty good. That's what it looked like before. Obviously the dogs love the cushion because they just want to be in my video. That's what it looks like after. That is freaking amazing. I've heard some people say if you paint your cushions, they're super duper hard. Well, this one is harder, I do admit, but it's because we put how many quotes. But the chair feels exactly the same. The backyard's a mess. You gotta excuse my mess. I didn't tell you guys that earlier. A lot of construction going on in the house. But I'm gonna do a sit test on this chair to see if it stains my new outfit. Chair. I better not stain my new outfit. Sitting down. Let's see. Didn't come up. I don't see anything that came up. You can see where I set my booty down right here. So it looks like some places, like this looks like it has a little bit less paint than like right here. But other than that, that looks amazing. Let's go look at the outfit. Yeah, I totally didn't get much on that spot. It almost looks like it's wet, but it's not. See, nothing came off on my hand. You can see my pants, nothing came out on my pants, which is awesome. So yeah, this trick totally worked. It's gonna save you tons of money. If you guys are interested in some cushions, actually purchasing it and not doing this, I'll post it down below. If I can find some that I can tag, and if I can tag this spray paint, it's gonna save you so much money. And it's, I think, the best hack I found, considering it's cooling down, cooler weather is coming. And you know what? I'm gonna be outside enjoying my fireplace and chit-chatting it up with my neighbors and I don't have to go buy new cushions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, you are a masterpiece. You're an original masterpiece, and that's how God created you to be. Love yourself, be kind to others, and please share this video. I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.